Let me ask you something that most men secretly wonder, but rarely admit out loud. Why is it that some men seem to effortlessly capture a woman's attention to the point where she can't stop thinking about them, while others, no matter how kind or genuine they are, fade quietly into the background? The answer isn't in money, looks, or luck. It's in psychology, specifically female psychology. Today, I'm going to explain exactly how to make a woman deeply interested in you. Not through manipulation, not through games, but by understanding what truly makes her emotional brain light up with connection, admiration, and desire. And by the end of this, you'll see that obsession isn't about chasing her attention. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally earns it. Let's start by clearing up one of the biggest myths about attraction. Most men believe that women fall for what you do, the grand gestures, the constant texting, the gifts, the compliments, but that's not actually true. Women don't fall for your actions first. They fall for how those actions make them feel. It's emotional resonance, not effort, that creates obsession. In psychology, there's a concept called emotional conditioning. The idea that people associate you with the emotions they consistently feel around you. If every time she's around you, she feels calm, desired, curious, and emotionally safe, her brain will start linking those feelings to you. That's the foundation of deep attraction. But if she feels pressure, confusion, or insecurity when she's around you, her mind starts to pull away, even if she still finds you attractive. So, to make a woman truly obsessed with you, you must learn to manage the emotional experience she has in your presence. That's where real connection lives, and it's exactly what we'll unpack next. As a psychologist and relationship behavior specialist, with over 5 years of experience helping men rebuild connection and confidence, I've studied hundreds of real-life cases. And I can tell you this, when a woman becomes deeply invested in a man, there's always a pattern. It's not luck, and it's not just chemistry. It's psychological alignment. The man knows how to trigger emotional safety, mystery, and respect simultaneously. Most men get one or two of these right, but not all three. When you can balance all three, her brain literally releases dopamine, oxytocin, and norepinephrine, the chemical cocktail behind attachment and obsession. So, let's break this down step by step. Step 1, emotional safety. The calm confidence that melts her defenses. When a woman meets a man, her subconscious mind is constantly scanning for one thing. Can I feel safe around him? This doesn't just mean physical safety, it's emotional safety. Can she trust him not to judge her? Can she relax without feeling like she has to perform or impress? Can she open up without fear that her vulnerability will be used against her later? You see, women don't become obsessed with men who make them anxious. They become obsessed with men who make them feel understood. When you speak calmly, maintain good posture, and genuinely listen, her nervous system begins to mirror your composure. Her heart rate slows, her body language softens, she feels at ease. That's why the most attractive men aren't loud or boastful. They're composed, intentional, and grounded. Here's a simple way to project that energy. Slow your pace. Don't rush your words or movements. Hold strong eye contact, but gently as if you're really seeing her, not just looking. Validate her feelings instead of trying to fix them. Say things like, "I get that," or "that makes sense." These small behaviors speak to her emotional brain louder than any compliment ever could. Once she associates your presence with calm confidence, she'll start seeking it. That's the first sign she's becoming emotionally addicted in a healthy way to your energy. Step 2, mystery and space. The unspoken magnetism that keeps her curious. Here's where most good men lose the spark. After creating comfort, they overexpose themselves. They share everything too quickly, text constantly, always make themselves available. It feels honest, but it removes mystery. And mystery is oxygen for attraction. A woman's interest thrives on curiosity. She needs a little uncertainty, a touch of what is he thinking. This doesn't mean playing games. It means being a complete person outside of her. When a man has goals, passions, and friends, when his world doesn't revolve around her, she instinctively sees him as high value. She starts to chase his attention because it feels earned, not given. To create this healthy mystery, don't overshare early on. Let her discover you gradually. Take time to pursue your own interests and let her know you value your independence. When you do spend time with her, make it meaningful presence over quantity. The paradox is powerful. The less you chase her approval, the more she desires yours. Why? Because the female brain interprets selective attention as status. It tells her, this man is not desperate. He chooses who to let in, and that makes her want to be the one he chooses. Step 3. Emotional leadership, guiding without controlling. This is the step that transforms interest into true obsession. It's when you lead emotionally not by domination, but by direction. See, women are drawn to men who know where they're going, not just in life, but in the tone of the relationship. When a man knows how to navigate conflict calmly, communicate with clarity, and stay emotionally stable, even when she's overwhelmed, she begins to deeply trust him. That trust turns into emotional dependency. When she's upset, she turns to you. When she's uncertain, she seeks your perspective. And when she feels grounded around you, she begins to imagine a future with you. Here's how to embody that emotional leadership. When she's emotional, don't mirror the chaos, mirror the calm. Set gentle boundaries. For example, I care about you, but I can't talk productively when we're both upset. Let's take a breath. Be decisive from where to go for dinner to how to handle disagreements. These behaviors signal reliability, and reliability is rare. The rarer you are, the more valuable you become in her emotional world. Practice stillness. Every day, spend 5 minutes sitting quietly, focusing on slow breathing. Emotional calm starts with physical calm. Speak with intent. When talking to a woman, choose your words thoughtfully. Fewer words, more presence. Stay purpose-driven. Never let your romantic life replace your personal mission. Women respect men who stay anchored to their goals. Respond, don't react. When tension arises, pause. The power of that pause can change everything. Be consistent. Consistency is what converts attraction into attachment. If she can predict your maturity, she'll start trusting your presence. If you've ever felt like women lose interest too easily, or that you're constantly giving but not being seen, you're not broken. You've just been operating without understanding how the emotional side of attraction truly works. You don't need to become someone else. You just need to master your energy. Because obsession doesn't start with impressing her. It starts with respecting yourself. When you treat your time, your peace, and your purpose as sacred, women feel it. They sense that quiet strength. And that's the kind of energy they can't forget. So remember this, you don't chase love. You become the kind of man love naturally gravitates toward. Be calm, be focused, be present. Because when a woman feels emotionally safe, mentally challenged, and spiritually connected to you, she doesn't just like you, she adores you. And that's the secret most men never learn.